Hi guys, my name is Jefferson Yari from BSCS 701P, and this tutorial shows how to create a simple login form using PHP. Okay, let's start. Um, as you can see, there's a HTML codes. These are the design of the login form. This highlighted part, it means the connection of the design and the process code. As you can see, there's action here. Yan. Action word that when the user click the login, it perform the process code in the login PHP. So what I am said is the login label. Mm. um, this is the output of the web design that I create. First, you should start the SUMP, Apache, and MySQL. Then click My Admin. Yeah. Wait for the result. Then type your type your name of your work, like my tutorial.php. That is the look, or that is the web design that I create. Username and the password. Um, as you can see, um, this is the username code and this is the password code. Thank you. Let's go on to the second part. Hi, this is the second part of my tutorial that PHP. As you can see, there is a tab, my tutorial that PHP and the login that PHP. Okay. Here's the code that I create. This is the process form. This is the process form. How how the how the username and password work. This code this code is very useful in people who work in web designing and have a process code. There is also if statement like in other languages. I emphasize this highlighted part because this is very important in PHP. The use of this is to connect the web the PHP and the web design, or the page or the web, to the database. Like connect MySQL, connect localhost, root, and the password. So I do nothing in the password because it's usually none. If the PHP couldn't connect, there's a word that comes that said it couldn't connect. Okay. Let's go first to the if statement. So I emphasize the highlighted part, the connect. It shows the connection between the login form and the database. You should create also as condition, where if the user could not put a username and a password, it shows the please enter a username and password. Then, as you can see, there's a username, false, and username. This is the connection of the username to the design of the username here in my tutorial.php. Then the password of the word false is very important method because it shows to it shows to know what is the username inputted. Okay, let's start and show what happened. First, if the user did not enter a username and password, when you click a login and shows please enter a username and password, then if a user enter any username like that, then password again. If the username and password are not in the database, it shows couldn't find the database. Okay, let's go on to the third part of my PHP. It shows the connection. Uh, my it shows the connection of the PHP and the database. So let's go on. My partner discuss what is the what it is all about. Thank you.
Welcome to the third part of our tutorial. My partner, named Jefferson Malyari, is already done with this part. I'm Robin Mata. I'm going to show you how to connect database in the MySQL. MySQL database or MySQL in the PHP. First, I create a database before named user login.